This year at WAB, what we decided to do is to develop a project that would involve the kids in the planning of how we can bring several subjects together at one time. And what we decided upon was, what about building a sustainable garden in the backspace behind the middle school? So math, science, and individuals and societies have come together to prepare what you see behind me here now.
It's come a long way from where it was then to where it is now. And somewhere along the way we had like an election where we came up with 3 directors. Myself, Jade, and Alex.
We felt that by empowering the students this way, they would have more opportunity to express what they wanted to see out of their learning. And we felt that having them engage that way would be able to improve the level of their understanding and the enjoyment that they got from coming to school every day.
I feel like there's a lot of benefit in a project like this where the students, they get to say their input, what they think should happen. Also because it's not something where we just sit in front of our computers for the next 4 weeks. We actually get to do something that we all like and it's fun.
The kids get a lot more invested in what we're doing. They realize the importance of what we're trying to get through just in the regular content, and then they can apply it to something that's much more usable and tangible. So in science, we took a look at the ecology of our space. They investigated biotic factors of the environment. Our math program looked at the sizes of the plots that they would have to use as gardening options. So they had to design where all of the different beds should go and how much perimeter area and volume they would require for the different spaces. L&L has been working up an interviewing process for how they can gather more information from their community and present the information they get back in a way that demonstrates their understanding of what we're doing here.
Personally, I think that putting all the units together like this was very beneficial to us because we got to carry out our knowledge that we learned in, say, INS to math and science. So it all kind of connected. I feel like a lot of these projects should continue in middle school. They make it a lot more fun and easy to participate and learn about these things.
And the beauty of it all is that we'll be able to branch out even further next year. Now that we have a very good base for our project and our space, I think we'll be able to reach out into the other subjects as well as build on what we've already done in these 3.